Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Daniel, and this is solum.algo. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about an email I just got, and this email is a scam. And fortunately, I did not fall for it, and I will explain to you guys exactly how I caught this email and how I verified that it was, in fact, a scam. So, this email came in today, and it's from Eventbrite, which is the first clue. An odd thing. But the reason they used Eventbrite is because Eventbrite is a legitimate company and it's relatively trusted, right? And the other reason they used Eventbrite is because they are probably able to search for users who have been interested in crypto events, right? So I've used Eventbrite in the past. I have an account there. I've used Eventbrite in the past to find Bitcoin meetups. And so that's probably how they found me and why they sent me this email. So the email comes through Eventbrite, and basically what they do is they give you free Eventbrite tickets. And in this case, these tickets are for a digital event, which is an invite to their beta version of Illuvium. And Illuvium, if y'all don't know, is actually a really cool game. It's maybe one of the neatest games in crypto right now. So Illuvium is worth checking out, but if you get an email through Eventbrite, it's probably not Illuvium because to my knowledge, they don't use Eventbrite to communicate with their users. So I got this email from Eventbrite, and all the images are blocked because I've reported it as spam, obviously. But when you get an email like this, the first thing that you can do is go to, don't click on the email, anything in it, go to Eventbrite. And so when I went to Eventbrite and logged in, I noticed I don't have these tickets. There's no tickets in my ticket folder, right? So probably Eventbrite has already blocked these guys, but the email's already out. So it's too late. But anyways, so I don't have any tickets from them in Eventbrite, even though the email says that I do. The other information that's on here was they had an image that's gone now, but the image said to connect my main wallet. And that's another clue, because why do they care which wallet I use, right? Except that they're trying to like nudge you to use your primary wallet with the most crypto in it. So that's another clue. But the other thing that is a clue is when instead of clicking on links, you can actually copy the URL and see where do the URLs go. So the big image was linked to a URL, and I was able to copy that URL to determine where that URL goes. And this URL goes to illuvium-mintpool.com. Don't go to that URL. That's the scam, right? So they stole all the Illuvium graphics and they built a little site. I haven't looked at it. I don't want to click on scammy sites. So I will delete that here in a second. But that's their scammy site they set up. This isn't Illuvium because they didn't use the Illuvium URL, right? So most projects, most of the time, are going to stick with one URL, one top-level domain that they use for everything, and then they build subdomains of it. So the way you can see a top-level domain is like illuvium.io is the top-level domain, and then staking.illuvium.io is their subdomain, right? And again, they have a subdomain, illuvidex.illuvium.io, and then they have store.illuvium.io, right? So though the top level domain is illuvium.io, and the subdomains are store, staking, etc., Illuvidex, right? So those are their top level. That's their top level, illuvium.io. So if it's not illuvium.io, it's probably not them, right? And so in this case, this is a .com, and the top level is illuvium-mintpool, right? So it's a completely new top level domain. So that's another good clue, is to verify what URL you're actually going to before you click it. And then also the other thing that you can do is go to the original project. Like if you know their website, go directly to their website and verify, and also go to their X page. So you can go to their X page, Illuvium, at Illuvium.io. You see that they have 398,000 followers. Probably this isn't a scam X page set up for this scam, right? And you'll see that like if you follow their links, they don't have anything about this beta in any of their official links here. They don't have any announcements about this beta going out on their X page. So anyways, those are ways that you can check to verify if something's legitimate or not. I was a little unsure about this because I have actually requested beta for things in the past, and I don't really keep track of what I've requested beta for. And I have looked at Illuvium in the past. So like it was a project I was kind of familiar with. I don't know if I had given them my email address or not. So like those things were all questions in my mind. Wait, did I sign up for this? I don't know. It's possible I could have. Because I don't always track that stuff really good. So when I got the email, it looked a little sketchy, and I did some digging and some due diligence. That's how you do it. Verify all your links, check their social. Don't be in a hurry to connect your wallet to anything. And if you're unsure, always create a new wallet and connect it, right? It's free to create a wallet in most cases. You can always create a new address, connect the new one, and see if test it out before you connect your primary wallet, right? So you're not risking anything. But a lot of times with this stuff, like there can be other things besides just a wallet drain going on. But anyways, it's always a good idea when you're playing with games and with different DeFi projects to use multiple wallets, especially when you're trying out new things, you're not sure what you're doing. Open a new wallet, test it out with a small amount of funds, $5 or $10, and no big deal if it turns out to be something you shouldn't have connected to. So anyways, guys, that's my warning to you. Probably this is the best way to not lose your money in crypto, is to be really cautious about everything that you do. And I hope you guys stay safe and keep all your money in your wallet, and look out for scammy emails because they're out there. Thanks. Take care. Bye.